Now, I'm just going to show you here how to make an MTD submission with Coconut. So head to MTD ITSA. You're going to click on Enter National Insurance Number. You'll need to provide one so that Coconut can tell HMRC which taxpayer these numbers relate to. You're going to click on Connect to HMRC. This will give Coconut permission to communicate back and forth with HMRC's platform. Click Continue. And then you're going to need your government gateway ID. So sign in with that one. You'll need your password as well. And then click sign in. Give permission. And then this is the screen that you'll make your MTD submissions for. So first of all, I want to go and check my numbers. So I'll head to report and then profit and loss report. Head to the current tax year. And then this is a summary of my income and expenditure. I can date range this one. So I'm going to enter a custom date range. And I'm going to date range it for the first MTD quarter, which will be the 6th of April 26 through to the 5th of July 2026. And then view. And you can see it's whittled it down to 3 and a handful of expenses. So those are the numbers I'm expecting to submit. Go back to the MTD module, and if I click on Q1, we've got a shortcut here. So the date range is already entered, and then we've got the same income and same expenditure numbers that I was expecting. So I'm happy. I'm going to click submit at the bottom. I can double check what's being submitted here, income and expenditure. Click at the bottom, and then that's it. The information's gone across to HMRC. So you can see that although MTD for income tax sounds complicated, with Coconut it's made very straightforward. That was everything you need to know about making tax digital for income tax with Coconut. I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.